Hey guys, so today I have this look for you, and it's a Cleopatra inspired look. I also changed my brows again because I just couldn't take the thicker brows. I think the thin brows look better on me. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so let's get started. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did my foundation already, and I used the Nars Radiant Foundation in the color Aruba. So let's get started with the eyes. And for the eyes, I am using this Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I am going to first put some concealer on my eyes, on my eyelid. Okay, so I put my concealer on my lids, and I used the Nars concealer in Sucre D'orge, and I used my fingers to blend it out. Okay, so next I am going to use this color, 1988, and I am going to put that under my eyebrows. Okay, and we're going to place that same color underneath the eyes. Okay, so now we are going to take our concealer again, and we are going to create a cut crease. And you can use this type of brush, an angled brush. And then you fill this whole part in. And I'm taking my blending brush to wipe off this part of eyeshadow. Okay, so we created this cut crease, like so. Okay, so now I'm going to take this brush, and I'm going to use a black color, and I'm going to create a outer wing. Dragging it all the way until the inner corner. And then also following this line again, but on top of the concealer we used. And dragging it until here, the middle part, so you don't need to drag it all the way down. Using this smaller blending brush to blend the black color out. Okay, and now I'm going to use a very thin brush, and I'm going to take this blue color, Leo, and I'm going to place that just underneath this black line, like this. Taking this black color again and creating a dark line like this. Also placing that again on top of the blue because the black faded away. And then I'm going to take my concealer brush again and placing that underneath the blue. Now taking that black blending brush you used, and now we are going to use this color, Gemini, this one, and we're placing that in the inner corner and also just underneath the brows. Okay, now I just want to create a wing line using the black eyeshadow. Okay, now I'm going to use black liner on my waterline. Okay, I'm going to put on some blush and I'll be right back. And also using some bronzer. And blending it out. And for the lips, I'm going to use the MAC lip liners in Stripdown. And for lipstick, I am using MAC in Burnt Spice. And on top, I'm using the Urban Decay lipstick in Rush. And lastly, I'm going to use my Lilly lashes in the style Miami. So while my lashes are getting glued and ready, I'm going to use highlighter, the MAC highlighter in the color Gold. Okay, now I'm going to put my lashes on. Okay, I got my lashes on. So yeah, we are finished. So if you guys like this look, then subscribe to my channel, like and comment below, and I will see you guys in my next video.